Is there a 380% upswing coming in the near future for Shiba Inu? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Now, I'm going to give you a little bit of my opinion up front here before we do get into this. 380% is pretty dramatic given the fact that we've got some macro conditions out there like inflation, GDP report, PCE inflation report coming out, things of that nature. This 380% is probably more of a longer term scenario, but I always want to be kind of a cautiously optimistic guy here, right? And so I always maybe say to cut it in half. Is that possible? So we're going to look at a piece of content, an article talking about this, and that's what we're going to cover in this video. Is there a possibility? Sure, there's always a possibility. I saw Shiba Inu go up 1,000% in 30 days back in October of 2021. I was there every day living it. So nothing is out of the realm of possibility. Side note, it climbed to a market cap of $40+ billion in those 30 days. It was absolutely insane that time. So right now, SHIB, see the market is down about 0.7, shocking. You sense the sarcasm, right? And 27.6, 1,800 for Ethereum. SHIB's doing its usual thing, just kind of holding steady. Nice consolidation pattern, 401035. Okay, so Shiba Inu price maintains key support while analysts foresee a 380% upswing. Now they're attributing this upswing to expansion and development, expanding the ecosystem, Shibarium, all those kind of variables. So nothing really new here in this context. There's not like, oh, it's this thing. Because there's not a new thing coming out, that I haven't talked about on my channel numerous times about SHIB. Okay, so there's partnerships coming, of course. We know there's some new partnerships coming down the road. The support level has really been fundamentally established. If you look at the last month, I mean, the support level, there looks like a lot of volatility going on here. There's really not. You see a low of 1035, and a high of 1166. Okay, so not a lot of volatility. I apologize. This is my allergies. And by the way, this is my wife's office. So this is not my new office. This is my wife's office. My wife is using my office. She's on a Zoom call for whatever reason. She just jumped into my office. So this is my wife's office. Notice the nice decorative touches there. They're definitely not in line with who I am, so to speak, right? Okay, so yeah, the bottom line is 380%. I don't really see that happening in the near future. Okay, I think that they're showing a key resistance level of 1.4. I tend to agree with that. But I think it could be shorter term. I mean, the resistance level in the last month is 1.1. Kind of this 1.1 range. Look at this. Okay, so again, I think the 1.1 range, we got to get past that. Right here, where you see my mouse moving, we've bounced back off of that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. We've bounced off of that resistance level right there 4 times. So I'd be looking at that 1156 level first, and then I would be looking kind of beyond that to kind of go from there. 380% upswing. I would love to see it happen. I've seen crazier things happen. Do I think that's attainable in the next foreseeable future? No, because here's why. I think if you look at the landscape, if you look at what's going on kind of in the macro view, the bigger, broader view, not just Shiba Inu, you've got this situation where nothing is really going to happen until we get a real clear gauge on inflation. What's the Federal Reserve going to do about easing off of those interest rate hikes? We need to have fundamentally people start to feel confident about investments again and start to feel like their dollar is just going further in their daily lives. Okay, because that's something that we have right now. It's just what inflation just basically means that everything costs more. And so we'll have to kind of see how that shakes out. So when that shakes out with Shibarium and Bitcoin and Ethereum and everything kind of going back up and Shibarium launching and all the stuff going to happen there, which we're looking at kind of a July timeframe, maybe August for Shibarium. Yeah, I think they will start to move back up after that happens. I'll see you. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks. Bye.